Hello small viewers, how are you today? Welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'm going to tell you a short story about a prisoner. After this story, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Please listen to me carefully and try to memorize it. Okay? Frank Mitchum is a prisoner. He is in prison now. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like the food either. Now he is talking to another prisoner. This food is terrible, Frank says. Can I have it? I'm hungry, the other prisoner asked. All right, take it. I don't want it, Frank says. Now the questions. Is Frank Mitchum in prison? Is he talking to another prisoner? Does he like the food? Does he like to be in prison? What does he say about the food? And what does the other prisoner say to Frank Mitchum? The next question. Why does the other prisoner want his food? The next. What does Frank Mitchum say at last? Alright. It's very simple story, right? Hopefully this video is very useful for you. If you like it, please subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.